Tom, are you in there?
Yes, all right. Sure.
Good morning.
Morning.
Tom, why don't you live down the road at the reception centre?
Because you've never been brought up in such places.
What's wrong with it then?
Nothing wrong, sir, as we know.
Oh, yeah, must be perishing in here in the winter, isn't
I
it?
don't go bother about the cold.
No?
No, face it out.
You keep fit, all right?
Keep it at it. Keep at it.
What happens when you want to take a bath?
Down by the river.
You go down in the river itself?
No, not near by the river. That's that water, that nice clean water.
What's going to happen if you fall ill?
I don't know. Can't answer that question.
Are you happy, Tom?
Yes?
You're really happy living
I'm
here?
satisfied.
Because you're free.
That, you got it. That's every time.
Aren't you terribly lonely living like this?
Lonely, no. Not lonely at all.
Have you ever been married?
No, I'm single chap.
All your life?
Yes, up to now.
Ever been in love then?
Well, I've had young ladies, but of course I'm still single.
Yeah. Didn't you ever feel you wanted to marry and settle down?
I suppose I have, but I missed the opportunity up to now.
What do you think of women, Tom?
Well, if you follow very closely upon the ways now, they'll help you, and some won't. Two different things, isn't it?
It is indeed. What's in your bag, Tom?
Food of various kinds.
What's your favourite food?
Bread and cheese, hot butter, and rice pudding, and eggs. And nice new bread.
What about a spot of chicken?
Well, Christmas for chicken.
Christmas for chicken. Didn't you ever have an ambition to be something else?
Yes, missionary.
What, to go abroad?
Yes, you got everything missionary. But I have be no more than 27.
Tom, what's going to happen when you can no longer look after yourself?
I don't know.
Will you go down the reception centre then?
I'm not so sure. Can't say. I must carry on for the time being. Time present. Now, would you like a cup of tea?
Well, that's very nice of you, Tom. Thank you.
I'll give you one with
Thank
pleasure.
Cheers, Tom.
All the best. Are you all right? Well, we'll enjoy it.
Very nice.